tere kuuendikud! On aeg kontrollida ülesandeid 4, 5 ja 6 õpikus leheküljel 102 ja 103. Sul peab valmis olema õpik, vihik, kuhu sa need ülesanded tegid ja ka pliiats, et vajadusel parandusi teha. Alustame ülesandega 4. Ma loen sulle selle teksti ette. Sina samal ajal kontrollid, kas sul lünkades on õiged väljendid ja jälgid ka sõnade hääldust. Chocolate. The word chocolate comes from chocolatl, the Aztec name for their chocolate drink. Chocolate is made from cocoa beans, which grow in pods on cocoa trees. They grow in West Africa and Central and South America. There are about 30 to 60 beans in each pod. A pod is between 20 to 30 centimeters long, and it may be green, yellow, orange, red, or purple. The cocoa powder is made from dried beans which are roasted and ground. South American Indians started using cocoa over 3,000 years ago. The Aztec king Montezuma drank chocolate from a gold cup. One Maya king was called Quequeyo, which means he of the chocolate. Chocolate was even used as money. A slave cost 100 cocoa beans. Originally, chocolate was used just as a drink. The Spaniards took cocoa to Europe in the 16th century. They kept the recipe for drinking chocolate secret for nearly 100 years. In 1606, an Italian took the recipe to Italy, and chocolate drinking became popular throughout Europe. At first, chocolate was only for the rich. They drank it in chocolate houses, which were smart cafes. In the late 1600s, 2 chocolate houses opened their doors in London. They first served chocolate mixed with water and later with milk. People could sit by the fire, drink chocolate and gossip. Chocolate contains about 300 known chemicals. Some of them have a fast feel-good effect on people. After eating a small bar of chocolate, people may get overtiredness and a bad mood. Nüüd jätkame ülesandega 5. Sinu ülesanne oli sobitada eestikeelsed ja ingliskeelsed väljendid. Number 1. Seda valmistatakse. It is made of. 2. Igas kaunas. In each pot. Kuivatatud oad. Dried beans. Midagi saladuses hoidma. Keep something secret. Kogu Euroopas. Throughout Europe. Alguses. At first. Ainult rikaste jaoks. Only for the rich. Istuma kamina juures. Sit by the fire. Väsimusest üle saama. Get over tiredness. Populaarseks saama. Become popular. Läheme edasi ülesanne 6. Ülesanne 6 oli sul vastata küsimustele. Oled valmis? Who gave chocolate its original name? Aztecs gave chocolate its original name. Where do cocoa trees grow? They grow in West Africa and Central and South America. Where do cocoa beans grow? They grow in pods on cocoa trees. How long is the history of cocoa? It is about 3,000 years long. Who took cocoa to Europe? The Spaniards took cocoa to Europe. When did cocoa drinking become popular throughout Europe? It became popular in the 17th century. How was chocolate first served in London? It was first served mixed with water, later mixed with milk. What was a chocolate house? It was a place where people could sit by the fire and drink chocolate. What did people do when drinking chocolate? They sat by the fire and gossiped. Could everybody afford drinking chocolate in the 17th century? No, they couldn't. At first, chocolate was for the rich only. Why does chocolate have the lift effect on people? This is because it has some chemicals that make people feel good. Nüüd selleks, et sa näeksid, kust leida küsimustele täpselt vastused, näitan sulle pilti, kus on nummerdatud küsimused ja alla joonitud vastused.